بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Sack. Word forms, plural, third person singular present tense sacks, present participle sacking, past tense, past participle sacked. To dismiss from employment. Synonyms: terminate, dismiss, fire, bounce. The manager sacked me because I was late.
Scoop. Word forms, plural, third person singular present tense scoops, present participle scooping, past tense, past participle scooped. If you scoop something from a container, you remove it with something such as a spoon. Synonyms: spoon, spade, ladle, trowel. I scooped some ice cream out of the bowl.
Sag. Word forms, third person singular present tense sags, present participle sagging, past tense sagged. When something sags, it hangs down loosely or sinks downwards in the middle. Synonyms: sink, bag, droop, fall. The bed is very old and it sags in the middle.
Seek. Word forms, third person singular present tense seeks, present participle seeking, past tense, past participle sought. If you seek something such as a job or a place to live, you try to find one. Synonyms: look for, pursue, search for, be after. We have had to seek work as laborers.
Sentence. Word forms, third person singular present tense sentences, present participle sentencing, past tense sentenced. To decide and say officially what a punishment will be. Synonyms: condemn, damn, doom, punish. The judge sentenced a man to 2 years in prison.
So. Word forms: third person singular present tense sows, present participle sowing, past tense sowed, past participle sown. When you sew something such as clothes, you make them or repair them by joining pieces of cloth together by passing thread through them with a needle. Synonyms: stitch, tack, seam, hem. He sewed a button on his shirt.
Shade. Word forms: plural, third person singular present tense shades, present participle shading, past tense, past participle shaded. To prevent direct light from shining on something. Synonyms: cover, protect, screen, hide. He shaded his eyes with his hand.
Shorten. Word forms: third person singular present tense shortens, present participle shortening, past tense, past participle shortened. To become shorter or to make something shorter. Get shorter, contract, diminish, dwindle. The trousers were too long, so I shortened them.
Shove. Word forms: plural, third person singular present tense shoves, present participle shoving, past tense, past participle shoved. If you shove someone or something, you push them with a quick, violent movement. Synonyms: push, shoulder, thrust, elbow. They shoved him through the door.
Sip. Word forms: plural, third person singular present tense sips, present participle sipping, past tense, past participle sipped. If you sip a drink or sip at it, you drink by taking just a small amount at a time. Synonyms: drink, taste, sample, sup. She sipped her coffee.
Enjoy your lesson. Thank you very much, and do not forget subscribing, liking and sharing. Improve your vocabulary visually on YouTube. It is all for you.